Hablay pi baroj ka thup khubor jungi kedan Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta ka sngi kilong. Kem naphang ye kiba don benta lada philap ye ka jing shisha ong ka hito. Penksan ki kertong ka not shilong la ki jong ki jutang hak election MLA 8000 ar khulai. Bam smai uphagu chohan kumulat bathamai ka jala Meghalaya. Ban klem poida AA kisan snem namar ka jingya yarap bam saplem ong ke LG ba renjang. Teman-tanya phaj ki khubor ki bakhambanya. Hadin ka jingkan tho jong Home Minister kari India u Amit Shah baka jala Meghalaya kari ka jala ka bamsap na kalyang kahnyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization hito hapo ka jingalam jong President u ba don bok dakhar hakakat pratrik u rempang. Ule thu shakilat pathai khubor bana kalyang ka seng kalada ban pha daka memorandum sha Home Minister bade ban tokit daka CBI lani daka ED agency ban lap ya ka jing shisha bade ban kem na phang ya ki political leader lani ki seng bhalang bat kinu ki badon benta kim de ban lai bana kalyang ka hito kala bu por u Home Minister hadu ka arphulai tarik mentau benai bade ban kemno ya ki tu ki badon kiti haga bamsap balada umla bane kumta kapan i ba uni Home Minister ushu kentho ya kajela tang ban penbit election bana kalyang ka seng kala maham balada Home Minister umla ban pendap ya kata kam kin ai persya daka kes ya Henry haba pensai shaki patba halor ka jingsha kentho baka hito kade ka seng bhalang bala bai pisa daka AITC na kalyang ka hito kale tho ba kampat jubam wat shitengka nang nuru
lat saya kubor ki men ki para ya lat knang kani si wat ko por ko bakhindo tegin poi be ka phang ka jingwan ka jungi shikilat sai kubor menda si kade halor bangi lat depan file kane ka memorandum ane kata ka appeal ban investigation ya ka naka CBI bat ke ED agencies haga baya kami ka to ka jingkan no na Home Minister Amit Shah pa Meghalaya kade ka corrupt state ane ka jela ka babam sam te nisngo kuman shkadde ye ba kuman kamau ba khan de tarik manai khatar sunam arpo wei ba kumjo ka phra tarik nai pendai arjar arpo wa ar nila de bu kata ka memorandum ban pha investigate lane ban pha CBI bat kita ke ED agencies ban lap ya kata ka jimbam sapong pong te hadin kato kanesi bat te kato manai kato snem tingila i ba hekling ba klat thai kubor Amit Shah ulapun scam baka don shisha ka jimbam sap apo jela Meghalaya te nge scam bo tharai ula don kita ki kot kisla ka babiang hakamit ka jongu te ngina kalyang kaseng pat ni smukhya pat ngila smu dei biang ban tho biang te ngila tho mene te ngila pha heru mene hi shu ban pha ya kaneka investigation habete baka CBI bat ED agency apo jela jungi khnang ban lap ye jing shisha bat bade ban kemlot na phang ye gitu ki bodon kiti ngang ong ninja lingba kat kum ka an ka bom mun menta nga kum ong ay pi mentan ngade unong thebot phinwan kan no ba mga udai ubabam sap nga ngam pedia bade hang tu uklem I specific whether is NPP whether is BJP whether any political party semua Henry ong bit Meghalaya nga ngade nong Meghalaya PPD nong Meghalaya umla ban ong kulum ba ka Meghalaya kadi ka corrupt state kabamut nan sujar kerteng Highland Post corrupt hito corrupt KSU corrupt bat kiwe long corrupt lot ha tenri nga kumu utal nong thebot ngam pediang kan ladangi digi corrupt kem pen I shisha tenri ladangim dei pat kamut pisu ang tanggan na kasentor Henry pimnot pat nek ka kam tingi kermen bahaga lingba Home Minister ulah ban pumuan sisa ya kata ke idi bat ngin koperiru bat ka seng BJP hadu arpulai bat ka central government kumjo bat ngin pen isu ya kita kisabut kisaki lada kinot sisa ban pha ya kata ka CBI bat ED agency po ka state ko jungi ban kemlot naphang madai useng malang madai politician madai non thok kubor madai samana Henry ada kindla nut ban allege kadon sisa kumula kuno bangi kadai kajela ka babam sap te le ko bodon kam Henry la de phimla ban le hapo arpulai trik ka seng kamban se ban ai ka defamation case persya yo Home Minister jongkari
hakakat pradrik urampang kador barsh nang waindo kumbala long halat umkra ban hapen thor umkra hakisngi balalen kala penlong ya karensan penksan ya election ki kertong na kanot shelong Lawan ban sim benta ki katu kan ningut ki pat ba bat ki kertong daladihi.
Kisah kebangangan ngakin mau yang kepuar kebangangan rak yang CV jangan bani apply kam ngasuh benang ngasuh leran bak offer bagi terima kadi kendai jar praja ya keju ke qualification ke bagi idan kisamla ki bagi dan lada ki trade tang hati sausha tulap bagi kimse hangi yang fokus nang wain no kadang ke school kum ke Christian Academy ke Bay School atau Christian Academy, aku por ke Bangadang Day School kali kat Sanspa Arajar sebenarnya. Nangtas ke tuition, nangtas ke jinglet pulih ke garam. Ndalapas kay ke kamu begini. Ke por ke jing jenjar ke bakal ya kedua ke sabla manta. Ni niat sebelum sini ke jing bangdon jong kita di coaching centers. Kajing bangdon jong kijing ikai ban aiki kita ki skill development. Kajing bangdon jong ka internet connection hakini di school. Kajing bangdon jong kilat ya kikina bakin penpro ada di pelat banyak kesembas ke baki kita. Ngangiwi ngakapor sekapor abang iya serum seneng jong ni konstruksi ngililung sikiri yang di kebun Kijuang ki diberi wenang orang seno kita bikun jogi seno kita kihimen ki para ki orang kita sekolah keluar kita bisa hai berapa teh apa kita bisa ketu kestir ki puli nak kejelah jogi karena kade ke situ nam bun nak balik puli baka ki bade ki topas ki balik asli ki tuition bali babu mencua hadir makin ada puli hadir makin pendek ki kedan kum ki doktor ki engineer bun ki Gilai ban syakri yang jelas sama. Ki syakri yang state sama. Ki penkiu ki ayah ke development sa kastong ki sama. Nama balai hashtag ni tamdan kala. Ki kena ki boleh pulih lang bana janmiat pikiri pinya dari konstruksi ki yang sesurok ki yang sepokil ti diskin kimtip dia kai kalau wei. Nyui yang kini kisamla ki bayar buat lagi benda, kakam tu bahaya tau tu kiyo alasi kini bandung nongnya warna aswidi, banding air delivery, katakan kadai kata aku kiyo ke unemployment kepada nak state kecumi.
Upagu Chauhan ubade ulat barem joka Bihar mentakasi ke khat pratarik urampang arhajar arpulai ulabam smai kum ulat bathamai ke jela bad ula shimtino e ke jinglong ulat ke Meghalaya na u Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra Haraj Bhavan Shillong. Lapan bam smai da kajing sakhi bajing penyad u wandura ding do ubade unong bishar joka Meghalaya High Court. Hadirin ki kentien balami na u Amit Shah baka jela Meghalaya kare ka jela ka bajur e kajing bam sap haka khat pratarik urampang ka LG Varanja ka kertong joka MTC kala bu jingkeli persha u Amit Shah halor ka jing bam pentrikam ka sorkar hakini ki sansnem balalet. Shu kalau ong baka daw jo ka jingbam trekam hok haka jela ka de namar ka jingedon ktilang kinong elam paper haka jingbam pong ya ka jela but dei kinong elam jo ka jela hi ki babam sap henre da ka jingpenya jong ki wei ki kliru kala kop ru eu Amit Shah balada sngodon kti haka ni ka kam ude ban pha cha ka CBI ban tokit ban kemlot ikita ki kli ki badon bentalang tangkat tu kani por banwan ke election ka kong LG Varanja ka mi pat ba ban kran bat pen I la ka thong klan e sadin yanuru.
Good afternoon. My name is Eljiva Gwenapinja, candidate from 17 North Shillong constituency. Hearing the statement, the remarks made by the Honorable Home Minister of our country, it's very sad to see him campaigning in Tura with his headlines stating that Meghalaya is the most corrupt state in the country. Well, I should question the Home Minister himself. Wasn't the BJP a part of the MDA coalition in the year 2018 till the very day? We have seen that when the MDA government was formed, it was under the leadership of Himanta Biswas, Assam Chief Minister, that a flag of BJP was seen floating in around our lovely state. It was through them that the MDA government came into power, that is the BJP. So weren't they part and parcel of forming this government? Aren't the BJP a part of all the scams that is happening in the country as well as our state? When we look back, when they talk about the power department, it was the hands of the BJP, the NPP and the UDP and its partners in the MDA government who had sold our rights, who had sold our state in the hands and at the mercy. To hear that, because they've seen the 5 years how our state has been destroyed by the BJP, and it is high time that we ask the BJP government if they have the guts. Rate your own partners who are in the MDA government. Capture the leaders, capture the politicians who are part and parcel. Do they have the guts to do that? Just because elections are around the corner, they try to speak their empty jumla out here. And I would say, if you have the guts, come out on the street and say that you did not do any corruption in Meghalaya. Where is the money of Meghalaya? The money of Meghalaya went to all the leaders sitting in the central leadership of Amit Shah and his group. Let me tell you, we as principal opposition in the state, the Trinamool Congress, will not allow any other political party. We will fight against the divisive force and we will ensure that BJP will get 0 digit on the verdict of 2nd March.
Pada gitu gi kuboy lepoy kabakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.